Hey guys, in this tutorial you're going to be learning about how to know if your PC is running fast or not. So you could tell if your PC runs fast or not by just say loading up like Google right here, or just loading up like PowerPoint or whatever app you're using. So you could do this by you could also do this by seeing the CPU right here. So if you let the CPU go down as much as it can, so I think my CPU could go down more than 16%. It should run around like 5%. So seems like I don't think it could go down any further than 15%, but I think it should. But I'm not sure. But I feel like my PC could still run really fast. So it's around. So say that it's around 15%. Your one could be like 2% or something like that. But if you have a really slow PC, or like laptop or computer or whatever, it'll be like say around like 100%. It could be around that, or like 50% or something like that. So here you could just tell how fast your PC is running. So right here, if you want to like decrease the CPU, I got a few tips I would like to show. So if you just go into Task Manager right here, so if we just go back here, Task Manager, and then here just go on Startup, and then here just click on any of these. So I'm just gonna click on the Xbox App Service, disable each and one of those. So when you open your laptop or PC or whatever, it will come up with all these apps straight away. So if I would disable all of these just to make your PC run a little bit faster, right here. So I think this might work. Then if I go back on here, might go down. I don't think so. No, it's gonna stay around the 15% again. So I got another tip as well. So if you want to go on settings, so go on the Windows, press settings, and then here if you want to go on to privacy, then I'll go through each of these right here. So I'll go on speech, turn that off, inking, maybe turn that off. I mean, I don't know if all of these might be turned off. Location, oh yeah, location change, press on change and turn that off. Camera, I think you could turn that on if you like. I'm keeping microphone on because I need to for the videos. Notifications, I'll turn that off. Tasks, I think you could turn that on, but you could turn it off if you like. I'm not sure what this does, but you can read the instructions. Background apps, I would 100% recommend you to turn that off, definitely. So all you have to do is just turn this bit off, then every single one should turn off automatically instead of just you pressing each one. But no matter what, if I was you, I would turn that off as well. I got another way that you could also decrease the CPU or make your PC run faster. You could do this by doing Windows R. So if I was you, I'd do Windows R, then here I'll type in temp, and then press OK, and then here I'll press continue. I mean the window came in here, and then I'll press Control A. Press Control A, so it will select every single one. So they're all temporary files, so something that you don't need in the future. And then right click and delete. So I'll delete this. Press continue. Yeah, and then I'll do maybe try again. If it doesn't, I'll press skip. Yeah, I'll press skip. Oh, if this doesn't work, try pressing skip. It might work, but I'll just cancel it for now. So all these order files, temporary files, will be deleted. You could do as well as another way. Wait, let me just check the CPU again, see if it went down. My it's around 16. No, I don't think it is. Uh, you could also, so there's another way as well. So you could just do Windows R again. Then here, I'll type in percent, 10%. Then here, press OK. Then Control A to select everything. Right click, delete. So I'll delete all these. I'll press continue. So from last time. Okay, so most of them are deleted, but I'll just press cancel. I'm not sure why they delete. I think I'm probably using them right now, but so if everything deletes, that's really good. So hopefully that works. So I think that's all the tips I could give you so far. But yeah. So if your PC is still running slow, watch other YouTube tutorials. But that's as best as I could do. So hopefully it'll just go down in a bit, but so here it'll be at around 11%, but as I'm running OBS Studio, it's going up right there. So as I'm running OBS Studio, it's going up, but as you guys are just watching the tutorial, it'll be around like 5%, hopefully, or it'll just at least decrease a little bit. So hopefully you've enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these in the future. Thank you.